Hey guys, I have came up with a new tutorial of C Sharp, and if you are a beginner then it will help you a lot to master your knowledge and skills in C Sharp. So let us see some introductory contents, and as we start a new language we'll see first the structure of C Sharp code, then variables and data types, operators, basic inputs and outputs, then comments, expression, statements and blocks, and finally we'll see C Sharp string. As you can see, this is the basic structure of a C# program. Here you can see the program class and then the static main method, and then you see a statement that is you are printing hi John. So always remember, statement always will end with a semicolon, and if you are not following this procedure then you will get errors. Now I will show you how to create a new console app and write your first code with Visual Studio. Okay, we have opened the Visual Studio, and then we will click on create a new project, then console app, click next, and then we will set the path, and the name will be first, and then click on next. And I am using .NET 8.0. So we are creating a new console app. Here you can see the console app is created. So okay, let's start. We will declare the class first, public class program, then the method static void main, and then we will write a statement that is console.writeLine. We are gonna print something, so hi John, and you should remember that C# is case sensitive. So let us run the program, and here we see that we have successfully run our first program in C#.